Good morning, Your Honor. Thank you. Good morning, Your Honor. Joy Gaines, Senior Assistant Public Defender, representing Mr. Baldwin.
Your name, sir?
Dion Ty Baldwin.
All right.
This matter was adjourned last time for some additional time for our office and Mr. Baldwin to go over and to consider the recommendations in the evaluation, which we're recommending that Mr. Baldwin be found not competent but restorable.
What's the date of your report?
Your Honor, we were in court 2 weeks ago, so that I will grab my laptop. So it's set.
Right, and then we had to adjourn it out, but I got it. From a February date?
That is correct.
Okay. Yes, and I reviewed that. So you're stipulating to that report?
That is correct, Your Honor.
People stipulating?
Yes, Your Honor.
Based upon a review of that report, the court would find the defendant at this time is incompetent to stand trial but restorable. And I've signed an order to that effect. I will set a review hearing in this matter for August 6, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond will continue. Thank you.
I'm down.
I'm just going to wait for them to fulfill.
Court calls.
Cottingham is approaching to my right. Sir, could you state your name for the record?
Timothy Cottingham.
Thank you.
Date and time set for a probable cause conference, Your Honor. We are asking that this matter be set for preliminary exam. I am requesting,
All discovery is complete.
yes, Your Honor, I am requesting a date of June 2nd. We do have trials on the 18th, pushing into 19th.
You
as well as
don't get to request your date. What's the reason?
We have trials on, I believe it's going to push into the 19th, and then we have a federal trial starting.
Whom?
Myself, Attorney Martell, and Attorney Nasser.
And Your Honor,
Yes.
we received about 200 pages of medical records from the victim in this case. I had to hand redact those. I finished that yesterday afternoon. So I'm not sure if those have been, I don't know if defense has them yet, but they will have them very soon. But it did take a little bit of time for through last week. And I haven't had a chance to communicate about that with Mr. Martell and Mr. Nasser yet. So I don't know if they're aware of it, but they are coming. I apologize. I couldn't get them done before yesterday.
So you don't have all of the discovery.
I have medical records I have defense copy of 155 pages. So I'm not sure.
At
if there's
those?
additional medical records.
I'm not aware of how any other records would have gotten over. I got records and I redacted them yesterday. I'm not sure.
So you redacted them yesterday. Those medical records you're looking at came before yesterday?
Your Honor, the version I have is unredacted. I'm just not sure if this is the exact same version that the people have.
So we're not sure about what discovery is there and everything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this out 1 week. So that you can look at those. It won't affect the date you're necessarily asking for prelim, but I want to make sure that all discovery is complete on it so that you have an opportunity to have that and your client can look at it or at least talk with them about it.
Of course.
Probable cause conference, I will 1 week to 14th, May 14th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond will continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Court calls case People versus Aaron Brandon.
However, on behalf of Mr. Brandon, who is approaching the podium and will be standing to my right. Mr. Brandon, once you get up here, please state your name for the record.
Aaron Brandon.
Hanson.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. The court should be in receipt of my adjournment form. We are requesting for an adjournment at this time.
Where yesterday I discovered another warrant request from Mr. Brandon from January, so it's not a bot violation, it's even arraigned till April, but I did authorize 4 new charges: assault with dangerous weapon, unlawful driving with motor vehicle, firearm possession by a felon, and domestic violence against a different victim. So that should be coming in hopefully soon.
All right, I've got a couple other cases, so you may have to wait for me in the hallway.
So probable cause conference, I'll adjourn this out. Hopefully, if you authorize it, hopefully we can get it done, get it set, so they'll be together at least. So I'll adjourn this out to May 28th.
Your Honor, I'm not available that week.
Good.
Your Honor, I'm getting married that weekend. If I could just have you
What?
or earlier, yeah, I tricked some poor woman into it. So, but I'm not available.
Paid that weekend?
Yeah, if I could see the,
So I should ask her if I should set this.
I mean, she will be the real power after
May
this.
not want you there. No, I'm.
Wait a week either before or after.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Judge.
You want me to set it for the 21st? I just don't know that we'll catch it in 2 weeks.
Sheriff's office today, hopefully get that sort two done, so that it'll hopefully be around two.
Cool.
Are you available the 21st or you gotta like stuff you gotta do?
I mean, I'm busy, but for you, Judge, I'll make some time.
Is that how that works? Don't blame me when you don't get something done. All right. May 21st, 2026, 9 a.m.
Judge.
Bond will continue. All right. And again, congratulations.
Judge.
Court calls the case of the people versus Seaper Kent.
Good morning, Your Honor. Laura O'Brien on behalf of-
Ready, Judge. Portia Feaster, Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Mr. Kent, who is approaching the podium. When you arrive, please state your name for the record, sir.
Seaper Kent.
All right.
Thank you, Judge. We did meet with Mr. Kent, and I have had conversation with Ms. Willingbrain. We have began receiving all the discovery. I believe we need an adjournment to receive the rest of it to find out how we're going to proceed, Your Honor.
I did just provide, Wyman with a sign of protective orders. I'll just wait for the signature on that. Some additional discovery that. Well,
All right. I have signed the protective order.
Judge.
All right. And so how much time would you be looking at?
Not knowing how long it will take, I'd say maybe 3 weeks, just to make sure we have it.
Probable cause conference will then be adjourned to May 28th. You're not getting married, Feaster.
Not again, Judge.
Oh, okay. Okay. That's right. Never mind. May 28th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond on this matter will continue.
Thank you. We'll come see you again, okay?
Court does call the case, People versus Lawrence Buckner.
And on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
Your Honor, my client just stepped out in the hall. I'm just having.
No.
Chris Crowder, on behalf of Mr. Buckner.
And Assistant Public Defender Jay Bellinger on behalf of Mr. Buckner, who approaches.
Your name?
Say your name.
Lawrence of the family of Buckner.
Your approach.
You may. Then in this matter, I will adjourn it. So I will adjourn both cases out to the 21st, May 21st, 2026, 9 a.m. At this moment, bond will continue. Mr. Buckner? Sir? I've gotten a report, and there are some reports that you were in the vicinity of the victim in this case. All right. Sounds to me like it may have been that you were there. She may have showed up in the area or whatever. I'm not attributing any ill will to that. I'm just going to inform you that you happen to be up. You're required to leave. Okay. Be in that area. Am I understood?
I was at work.
Just say yes.
Okay, is it outside of the work? Is it outside of work, Mr. Simpson? Because I
Mr.
understand.
Buckner,
Yes,
because you don't
I understand.
shoot
Yes,
yourself in the foot right now.
Just giving you. Say yes.
I said, I understand that, but I'm asking about work. Mr. Simpson, is it also include work?
I have two ways that I can handle this. All right. I am not handling it in a way that is the most harsh. I told counsel that I would give you that admonishment. All right. There's a circumstance where you're legitimately there. Talk to your attorney about that. Okay. And they will be able to advise you what you should do in those circumstances. I am giving you my warning. Right? Am I understood, sir?
I heard exactly what you said. So you told me to ask my counsel if I have any questions in regards to being justified at any location.
Stop there.
That's what he asked me. I'm just showing him I was listening.
Just say you understand.
Yes.
Thank you.
All right.
All right, where else?
That's it.
Oh, I don't know if I was dismissed here. Thank you.
You will let him know I could have handled that very differently.
I'll drive it, Judge.
Okay, thank you. All right, that's it. No more Mr. Nice Guy. Sorry for everybody else. Court, court calls the case, People versus Jason Haydu Banks.
Good morning, Your Honor. Mark Krieger on behalf of Mr. Haidu Banks. May I just have 1 minute with 30 seconds with him?
15.
Okay. Okay. I'm prepared. I hope that,
Okay.
I think it was maybe 20.
Yeah, it's 12. You're good.
Okay.
All right. Your name, sir?
Jason Hyde Banks.
All right. What are we doing?
Your Honor, I have not received any discovery yet, so I'd ask that we have a short adjournment of the probable cause conference so that I can review the discovery and make an informed decision with my client on whether to proceed to preliminary exam.
I gave Mr. Krieger our email address and his certificates, so.
Probable cause conference will be adjourned then to May 21st.
Can I just check my calendar?
Certainly.
That's fine. And what time, Your Honor?
I'll set it at 9, but you'll get a
In a notice, right?
regarding that.
Okay.
All right. Bond will continue. Thank you.
Okay, so.
Court calls the cases of the People versus Robert Laster.
Good morning, Judge Hall. On behalf of Mr. Laster in case ending in 1326.
Public Defender Chelsea Virgils with and on behalf of Robert Laster on the other two cases.
And Laster, can you state your name, please?
Robert Laster, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
You're looking for an adjournment?
Yes, Judge.
You also, Mr. Diaz?
Yes, Your Honor, just try and keep all the cases together.
All right. I'll adjourn these matters to May 21st, 2026, 9 a.m.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Court calls the case People versus Angel Martel.
Morning, Your Honor. Alex Warren Green on behalf of Mr. Martel. State your name.
Angel Martel.
Thank you.
Your Honor, I have prepared an order to undergo a competency examination. I would ask the court to order a competency
So
evaluation.
you want a forensic evaluation?
Yes, Your Honor.
Forensic evaluation will be ordered. I'll set a competency hearing date for August 6, 2026, 9 a.m. You prepared that order?
I have, Your Honor.
All right. Bond will continue in this matter. All right. Thank you, sir. Court does call the case of the People versus Nicholas Strunk.
Morning, Your Honor. Sam Bernstein with and on behalf of Mr. Strunk on Zoom. There he is.
Mr. Strunk, unmute, state your name.
Nicholas Strunk.
Thank you.
Your Honor, we're asking to move forward to exam. Discovery is complete.
Would people have their witnesses available the 19th? Preliminary examination in person, May 19th, 2026, 9 a.m. before before me. Bond continue. Thank you. Court calls the case of the people versus really Jada Olive.
People.
Your Honor, as to the person that's getting married, the attorney, after that marriage date, he'll be on informal probation.
Yes, absolutely.
She was in the mail.
Sorry, Mr. Allen.
And good morning, Your Honor. Robert Elman on behalf of Ms. Olive in case ending in 131.
Your Honor, Bill Clovis, P 38434 on behalf of the case of 25-16344. I'm sorry, 26F10173FY.
All right. Your name?
Jada Olive.
Thank you. What are we doing?
We're going to be waiving
Okay.
preliminary examination.
He's waiving on both.
Yes, Your Honor, you should have a signed waiver in the file on my.
So Olive, you're waiving your right to a preliminary examination?
Yes, sir.
You understand that that's a proceeding where the people would have to show by probable cause that the offenses alleged were committed and that you committed them.
Yes, sir.
You understand you'll not have that hearing and that you'll proceed to circuit court for further resolution.
Yes, sir.
People also waive their right.
Yes.
Preliminary examination having been waived, defendant is bound over to circuit court on all 3 counts.
Your Honor, we would stand mute and waive any formal reading.
Stand mute.
Defendant having waived formal reading, standing mute to all charges, court will enter a not guilty plea as to all counts. Pretrial will be set for
May 18th at 1:30 with Judge Hamid.
May 18th, 2026, 1:30, Judge Hamud.
I'm sorry, who was the judge who signed on it?
Hamud.
Thank you.
Bond will continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Always nice to see you, Judge.
Good seeing you, sir. I mean, I can feel it. You'd be right. Court calls the case, people versus Ruffinian Brooks.
Brandon, no, Your Honor.
Do I have?
Morning, I'm Rob Chico on behalf of Judge standing in for Mark Shakur regarding Ruffinian Brooks.
Bless you. Wow. Don't do that again. That scared me.
Brooks.
Well, Ruffinian Brooks. They're not here.
Judge, Ms. Krasher was asking for an adjournment. She was just appointed. I don't know if he knows about this hearing. You being the considerate judge you are, and very compassionate, I would ask for a 1-week adjournment.
For you, I would be that way. However, it's Cracher's case. Bench warrant. 10,000 cash surety.
What was that, 10,000?
Yes, cash surety that will issue immediately. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. My opinion hasn't changed.
Wow. Court calls the case, people versus Antonio Williams.
Morning, Your Honor. Reagan with the people.
Sign this, right? They need to sign this.
I need,
No,
no,
they, okay.
no, they need to sign the image. Sign. That's that, yep.
Good morning. Joy Gaines, Senior Assistant Public Defender, representing Mr. Williams.
Sir, can you state your name, please?
William.
Thank you.
Now, we've received a competency updated report, and at this time, the report is stating that Mr. Williams is still not competent, but is still restorable, and we stipulate to that finding.
Here on the people, so stipulate as well.
All right, the court will continue to finding that the defendant is incompetent but restorable. I'll set a review hearing in this matter for August 6, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond will continue. Thank you.
Thank you.
Court calls the case of the People versus Jonathan Sims. Who is that? Okay,
Good morning, I'm Robert
thought I'd ask.
Anthony, Jonathan Sims. Judge, we have the discovery. We're asking for a preliminary exam.
Your name, sir?
Jonathan Sims.
Thank you. You have all discovery?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. People have their witnesses available the 19th? All right. Preliminary examination, May 19, 2026, 9 a.m. before Judge Garwood.
Co-defendant in custody.
He has a co-defendant in custody. Who's on that?
Yeah.
Okay, before you said that, Ms. Yagi is, what's it?
Hickenbottom.
Hickenbottom. It's a co-defendant. Are you also looking to set exam on that one?
Yes.
Okay, then we'll set it when it comes out. All right. Bond will continue on that one.
Thank you.
19th.
Give me a call, okay? Well, I should get you.
Court calls the case, People versus Joshua Hillsborough.
However, on behalf of Mr. Hillsberg, who is approaching the podium and will be standing to my right. Your name for the record?
Joshua Hillsberg.
Thank you.
Today's the date and time set for probable cause conference. We are asking that the matter be set for a preliminary exam.
Both matters?
Yes, Judge, both.
All right. All discovery is complete.
To my knowledge.
And will the people have their witnesses available the 19th? All right. Preliminary examination, May 19th, 2026, 9 a.m. before me.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Bond will continue.
Okay.
Court does call the case, People versus Diamond White.
Morning, I'm Robert G. Thornton, Diamond White. Please state your name.
Diamond White.
Judge, we have the discovery. We're looking to set exam dates.
All right. People have their witnesses available the 19th. Preliminary examination, May 19th, 2026, 9 a.m. before Judge Garwood.
Thank you, Your Honor. You're good, okay? Look at this off.
Bond will continue. Thank you. Court does call the case, People versus Aaliyah Benton.
Horrible for everything.
Good morning, Your Honor. James Fifelski on behalf of Ms. Benton, who is coming out soon. Please state your name for the judge.
Aaliyah Benson.
All right.
Your Honor, this is a new file. I'm asking the court to adjourn for discovery.
Probable cause conference will be adjourned to May 21st, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond continue. Thank you. Oh, go ahead.
Just is present, today and requesting that the defendant, sign some documents as it relates to the current care for her children. So I'm just requesting that the defense counsel review those with her and see if she will sign them, or I will ask, or it will be, but I hope that will be necessary.
Your Honor, I do have the documents. I don't have a problem discussing those with her. All right. And so I do plan to do that. I did fail to request if I could very briefly address bond. 30 seconds tops.
Go ahead.
Your Honor, she has a $250,000 bond at this point. Her only prior conviction, I believe, is an impaired. She's on bond on a violation of probation with Judge Barr. 5 kids she does need to financially provide for who are under the care of CPS, and there is a family safety plan. I'm just asking that you grant her house arrest so that she can at least work, provide for her children while these cases are pending.
Respond.
So I'm gonna check. Bond at this time, this case involves, the shooting the butt of a 4-year-old, the defendant's 4-year-old by, her boyfriend, I believe, who has not been found. The defendant did transport the child to the hospital and then proceeded to lie to police about what happened to him and then tried to leave the hospital without seeing. So I have concerns that, because of flight risk and danger. Given that we don't currently know the whereabouts of who will be her co-defendant, I have additional concerns that she will try to get in touch with him.
Anything else?
GPS tether would help keep track, for Your Honor.
Motion for bond reductions denied. Bond will continue.
All right, thank you. I'll be back for sure. Going on. Thanks. Okay. Sorry.
Court calls case People versus Kevin Davis.
And James Fifelsky on behalf of Mr. Davis, who is approaching. Name, please.
My name is Kevin Ryan Davis.
Your Honor, just retained on this file, still waiting mostly the video discovery, asking for an adjournment for that to take place.
Probable cause conference will be adjourned May 28th.
Judge, I'm actually out of town that day.
What? What's his name's got a wedding. Everybody's gonna be here.
Well, I have no weddings, but family coming into town and
Like him?
family activity. I do. Yeah, my brother, older brother. He teaches me a lot of good things that.
He's not been doing it. Will the 21st work?
Will the first thing in the morning. I know because my other client's in custody. I have a 10 o'clock mediation for the whole day. But if out of custody goes later, that doesn't work.
Okay. At what point on my face did it look like I cared? I'm just picking a date. We'll figure out how to make it work. You want the 21st, but you don't want the 28th.
I can't do the 28th.
Jeez, so peachy. June 4th.
That's great.
Jeez.
Thank you. That's
Yes.
very kind of you.
No, it really wasn't. I just got exasperated. June 4th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond continues.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good day.
You do the same. Hey. Court calls the case People versus Wesley Brand.
And adults for the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Joy Gaines, Senior Assistant Public Defender, representing Mr. Brand. Your Honor, we are requesting in order to get some coverage.
Probable cause conference will be adjourned May 21st, 2026, 9 a.m. All right, thank you. Bond continued. Court calls the case People versus Jennifer Baker.
For the people.